Saving money and energy is always great. Bobby Johnson with Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical is here to show us something that does both. We always love when you bring props in.
Yeah, the fun things to look at. Just what you wanted to talk about today, huh?
Yes, what is this?
This is a tankless water heater. Not as fun as when they bring pets in and things like that, I'm sure.
but useful.
But very useful. Yeah, and honestly, I wanted to bring one in to show you just because most people have heard of a tankless water heater, but don't really know, well, what all does that entail? What does it mean? What does it look like? So this is what it looks like.
It's a lot smaller than my tank that's in the basement. What are the benefits besides just being smaller?
Yeah, so that's obviously the first thing that we noticed. This actually hangs on the wall.
Huh.
So the tank goes away, comes up off the ground. This hangs on the wall. Obviously, the major benefit that everybody knows about is that it is an endless hot water supply. So with your tank, that naturally holds 40, 50 gallons are the most common in most residential homes. And so we get a lot of people showering at the same time, larger families, then that tends to run out, especially as the water heaters get older. So with tankless, literally means you don't have a tank. Now, the only downside to it is sometimes it takes a little bit longer, like a full minute or so, for the water to actually get hot, because now some of these do have a reservoir where it starts with a little bit of hot water. Some of them do, some of them don't, but regardless, it usually takes slightly longer for that hot water to get all the way to the shower, but once it's there, it's hot for as long as it's on.
Oh, well, that's great, especially when you have company.
Company in town, holidays, the family gets bigger, the kids just get older and take longer and things like that. So.
Now, what's this contraption on the front? Is that like a thermostat?
It is. Yeah, it's a thermostat control. So this actually, all water heaters have a thermostat control, but usually it's a dial that, you have just certain set points, and oftentimes those are just hotter type of thing, where this will actually be a temperature control that you can adjust. So in the summertime, maybe we don't want it quite as hot. Wintertime, we want it a little warmer just because the house is naturally colder, or we're colder. So this guy hangs on the wall, and you can set and control the thermostat yourself. The only thing to really consider here as far as, is this a right application for my home? Obviously, the more people we have, the more water use that we have. So hot tubs and other jacuzzi tubs, things like that. So it's not necessarily just how many people in the home, but sometimes the other appliances are how we use the hot water. How often you do laundry or do dishes, if you cook a lot, things like that. So anyway, that's one thing to consider, but they do vent out a bit differently than some other water heaters. There's two holes up here at the top, so that's your indication that it's a high efficient water heater. So there are tank water heaters that are high efficient that use the same PVC pipe, not to get too technical, but anyway, there is an assessment to the home to see, where's the water heater located, what do we have to change. Sometimes there isn't a power outlet next to it. This does require an outlet, but all of those things, 99% of the time, we can figure those out if it's something that you're interested in.
And is it more energy efficient than a tank water heater?
It's way more efficient just because, now it will use slightly more water, but the water is typically less expensive than the gas to heat the water. So with the tank water heater, it's constantly heating the water that's sitting there in the tank, whether you're ready for it or not. With this one, it's just heating it as it's needed. So yeah, these guys cost you like $200 a year to heat water.
Oh wow, that's amazing. Well, Bobby Johnson, thanks so much for being here to share this with us.
Yeah, you bet.
Always fun to see new options that we can check out. And you can find Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical in Grimes off Northeast Main Street. To set up an appointment, just call 888-986-2424 or go online to goldenrulephc.com. You can also find Golden Rule on Facebook and Instagram.